So according to the question, it is an important question, that is surface area volume in that lesson. A cylindrical vessel of base diameter 28 cm is filled with some quantity of water. A metallic solid sphere of radius 7 cm is completely immersed in a vessel so that no water expels from the vessel. Means they have told that nothing, the water will not come out of the vessel. Find the height of the water level rise in the vessel. So this is the sentence. It will confuse you what it is, and we will learn this. So according to the question, they have given there is a vessel, it seems, and that is a cylindrical vessel. So let us draw one cylindrical vessel. So like this way, I will draw one cylindrical vessel, and already they have mentioned it. The cylindrical vessel is like this way, and already they have given the radius, that is the base radius, not radius, the diameter they have given. The diameter of the vessel is given as 28, base diameter. This total length is 28 centimeter. Remember, they have given the diameter, not the radius of the cylindrical vessel. Next thing is they have mentioned in the continuation, they have given that a metallic solid sphere of radius 7 centimeter. So one more we have a metallic solid sphere. One sphere we have, and that is of radius 7 centimeter. Remember, this is they have given the radius. This is 7 centimeter radius they have given, and that metal is completely immersed in the cylindrical vessel. Means that metal they have put it in that cylindrical vessel of 7 centimeter. Okay, at that time, before that, there was water. Before putting that vessel, before putting that sphere, there was water filled in this cylindrical vessel. So this is the water you consider. So water is filled in the cylindrical vessel. This much of water is filled it. Okay. Now you say to me that if you will put anything, if the water is not, they have not mentioned that the water is not fully filled. Because if the water is fully filled, what will happen? When you will put the sphere inside the cylinder, what will happen directly? When you will put the sphere inside this one, and if the water is fully filled, completely filled, what will happen?
Water will come down.
Yes, the water will comes out. But here they have given one sentence for you. Read that sentence. Completely immersed in the vessel so that no water expels from the vessel. Means here the thing is, the water is not fully filled. The water is halfly filled, or might be how much it is, don't know, but it is filled, but there is a space so that the water will not come out when we will put the sphere inside it. So now the work is, we have to put that sphere of 7 centimeter of radius. We will put the 7 centimeter radius sphere inside. Automatically the water will rise, or it will remain same. If we will put the sphere inside the vessel, the water is filled.
Rise.
Yes, it will rise. So how much it will rise? It may rise this much, but how much water it will rise? What it will include? What is the relation of that rising of the water? How that water is raised?
Volume of sphere.
Yes, the water is raised that equals to the, just I will write down, the rise in water, the rise in water will be always is equals to the volume of, it will be better, the volume of rise in water always be is equals to volume of inserted what we have inserted? Sphere. That is solid sphere. Yes, that is solid sphere. Remember this always. The solid sphere, how much volume we are going to have? The same water, that much volume only it will rise. Okay, so it must be remembered always. So now they are asking, this much of water is rise. If you will consider this much of water is rise, so there is a slightly rise in water. If the water first it was of height 4 centimeter, if you will consider, for example, if I consider 4 centimeter, it may rise again more, and it may rise for 1 centimeter more. So what is the total water now, present now? 5 centimeter height.
5 centimeter.
Yes, this
5 centimeter.
But they have actually not given how much centimeter it is raised. That centimeter of rise of the water we have to find. So how to find the rise of the water this much? how much water is rise here, no? That water we have to find. To find that how much height of the water is rise, then these two equation will be helpful for us. That is, volume of the rise of the water is equal to volume of the inserted solid sphere. That will be equal. So how much big sphere you have inserted, that much of water will rise automatically. So here one thing I will tell you, you are not supposed to calculate how much water is already present in this. That is not required for us because they have not asked this. See, find the height of the water level rise in the vessel. Only we have to find this value, how much water is rise. If you are not getting it, just I will draw a two-dimension figure. You consider this is a cylinder, means it is a two-dimensional cylinder. The water is this much if we will consider first. And how much water is here, no, that they are not asking. They are asking when you inserted one sphere inside it, that is 7 centimeter radius sphere. When you have inserted it, the water raised from this level to this much level. So that is a rise in water. How much? What is the height of this water? They are asking. That's all. They have not want this height or anything else. So this how much water is rise, that will be equal to volume of this sphere. That's all. So how to find the volume of the rise in water? What is the formula to find the volume of rise in water? If you will consider only this much, it is in which shape? Rise in water.
Cylinder.
It is in which shape?
Cylinder.
Very good. It is in a cylindrical shape only because the water will rise in a cylindrical container. So water will take its container size only. So this is a rise in water. So obviously rise in water, this formula will become pi r square into h. And this h I will take it as h cylinder, no? So I will take as hc. And I will take the radius as RC. RC means cylinder. Okay, that vessel what we have, RC we have taken, and HC means the height of the that rise in water. Okay, so now let us take down on the right hand side. Volume of the inserted solid sphere. What is the volume of the inserted sphere? Formula. How to find the volume of the sphere?
4 by 3 pi r cube.
4 by 3 pi r cube. But I will take this r as a sphere it is. So solid sphere, so S I will take. So RS. Here RS means radius of the sphere. Okay. So let me write it down correctly. All the things what we required. So just we will make a note on this side. So here I am taking that RC means radius of cylinder. And here HC means height of water level raised. See, I have taken the height of the water level raised, not the height of the cylinder. Once again I am saying it is not the height of the cylinder, only the height of how much height the water level increase. That's all. Next one I will take the RS, radius of what? Sphere. Okay, now we have to write down the value for it. So I will write it on that value. So let me take down that value for you. Okay, so here the RC value is how much they have given. So it is a total diameter is 18 centimeter. So diameter is 28 centimeter. So what is the radius will be?
14.
Yes, d by 2, that will become 28 by 2, that is 14 centimeter is the radius of the cylindrical vessel. Remember 14 centimeters. So here I will write on 14 centimeter. What is the height of the water level? That is only they have told us to find. So question mark. RS, radius of the sphere, already given. How much centimeter? 7 centimeter. So let me substitute that value in this. So pi value we have. So obviously you see on the left hand side and right hand side we have pi value. So pi value we can, what we can do?
Cancel.
We can
Cancel.
cancel it because on the right hand side and left hand side we have, so we can cancel it, and everything is multiplication. RC means here we have 14 centimeters, so I will write on here 14 square into HC only we have to find, that is the height of the rise in the water level, 4 by 3 into RS means the radius of the sphere, so 7 cube, so 7 cube. So this can be written as 14 into 14. Remember, I will write down 14 into 14. It will be better to write down the 14 into 14. Next, HC we want to find 4 by 3, let it be as it is. 7 cube is 7 into 7 into 7. So I will write it down HC on the left hand side, and everything I will bring it to the right hand side. So 7 into 7 into 7, that 14 into 14, if I'll bring it to the right hand side, it will go to the denominator. 14 into 14. So let us calculate it. 7 ones are 7 twos are 7 ones are 7 twos are. Okay. So here only I will calculate it. Next one, HC is equals to, left is 4 by 3 into, we left is 7 by 2 twos are 2 into 2. How much? 4. Yes. So this 4 and this 4 get cancelled. So now the height of the rise of water level is 7 by 3, that is centimeter. So 7 by 3 centimeter is nothing but 2, how much? 3 twos are 6.66 centimeter. Sorry, not 66, 2.33 centimeter. Yes, this is your answer. So rise in the water level. So anyone have a doubt here? This is the answer. We have finished that answer. We have got the answer and nothing extra we have. So let me write it on the last sentence. So here we can write it down at the end. The rise of water level in the cylinder when sphere is inserted is 2.33 centimeter. So anyone have a doubt?